Daniels from ECCPP Auto Parts, here with our updated tow mirror built for any 2004 through 2006 Ford F150 pickup truck. This tow mirror is designed to be manual folding, manual extending, and features the same 3-pin mounting locations, base plate, and plug-and-play connector as your vehicle for easy installation. This tow mirror also features an integrated LED turn signal on the front and a puddle light underneath, along with a small lower panoramic mirror and a larger upper adjusted power mirror with power heating. With the mirror's combined length of 11 inches by 9 inches and an overall length of 17 inches when closed, once extended, it reaches up to 21 inches, reducing your blind spots and maximizing your road safety and visibility. This tow mirror is designed as a low vibrating, high quality replacement for your stock mirror that updates the look and functionality of your vehicle.